Yesterday I made a video talking about how to make $3 million in 3 years. So I wanted to watch this video completely and start enjoying the video. This video is going to open your eyes and into how you can make your $1 million goal faster. So watch this video, let me know in the comments below what you're actually looking forward to and what you find valuable and what I did not cover, so that I can improve on my videos. So by the way, check out the links in the description below because I have free resources for you and also have resources that will help you start your business and make money online from the comfort of your home. So enjoy.
In this video, we're going to talk about how you can make $3 million in 3 years. I've presented everything in a graphical format. As you can see, years on the x-axis and income on the y-axis. You can see what you need to do on year 1, year 2, year 3. The reason why I have broken it down into 3 years is because most people take a lot of time, and if you take a lot of time, you will definitely give up along the way. Heck, most people even don't complete a book, don't complete 3 pages of a book. How will they be persistent enough to hit their millionaire goals? So trying to get it done faster is much better option for you if you want to make $1 million. Entirely it's up to you. So here's what I'm going to break down for you. How you can start from zero and make it up to $1 million or more in 3 years or less. So what you need to do on your one, whether you're starting from scratch or whether you are somewhere in between, follow this and get going. So your target for yearly one, your one is when you're at zero and you're starting out. Open up YouTube channel, open an Instagram account, and if you have a TikTok account in your country, open it up, and open up Facebook and Twitter. And if you have LinkedIn, open that account as well. And if you have Pinterest, open that as well. So what you need to do is you need to start creating social media content. Okay, whatever it is that you're an expert on, start talking about it. There are 3 niches that people constantly buy: health, wealth, and relationships. And any of these 3 niches appeal to you, start creating content on those topics and start posting content and start building an audience. So as you start building an audience, you start driving a lot of traffic, a lot of attention, a lot of social media subscribers, and from there you can turn them into leads and subscribers, and then you can turn them into sales for your business. Okay, so here I'm giving you the income plan if you want to hit $3 million in less than 3 years. For your yearly income goal for year 1, you should aim to hit anywhere between 100k to 250k. So why do I say this? Most people just focus on just making their first $10,000 in one particular year, but aim to hit your goal much more further than that. If you know what is 100k when it's broken down monthly, it is $8,333, and if you decode $250,000 into monthly goal, it is $20,833. So if you can focus on generating monthly income goals, you will be able to hit your yearly income goals. Now you need to break down your monthly income goals into weekly income goals. There are about 52 weeks in every year, right? So if I divide 100k by 52 weeks, I get 1,924. You need to make $1,924 every single week. Likewise, it's for 250k, you have $4,808. If you make sure you hit your weekly goals, you will definitely hit your monthly goals, and thereby you'll achieve your yearly goals. Likewise, if you take a look at you need to know what your daily goals are. If you can hit your daily goals, you will hit your weekly and then your monthly. And if you are consistent hitting your daily goals all throughout your weeks and months, you will be hitting your yearly goal and you will reach there. Okay, so here are your daily goals. If you are trying to make anywhere between 100k to 250k, you must aim to make anywhere from $274 all the way up to $685, rounded up to $300 to $700 daily. Make sure to hit this income goal. So I will talk about what you need to do to make your income goal in year 1, year 2, and year 3. In year 2, make sure to hit anywhere between $500,000 to 500k to 750k, and your monthly goals are $41,666 to 62,500. And your weekly goals, how do I do that? I divide it by 52 weeks. That's how you get your weekly goals. If I divide it by 365 days, you get your daily goals. Now you understand the formula. I will keep reading the goals that I've laid out for you. Make sure to hit anywhere between $10,000 to $15,000 for your weekly goals in year 2, and your daily goals should be anywhere from $1,500 to $2,100. Okay, in year 3, aim to hit anywhere between 1 million to 3 million. Your monthly goals is $84,000 to $250,000, and your weekly goals should be anywhere between $20,000 to $58,000, and your daily goals should be anywhere between $2,800 or $3,000 to $9,000. So as you keep making more money, you can invest into advertising, and you can invest into generating leads, you can invest into more traffic. This will help you achieve your daily goals. If you achieve your daily goals, you hit your weekly goals. If you achieve your weekly goals consistently, there are like 4 to 5 weeks all across every single month. Some are less, some are more. So if you can hit your weekly goals, you will hit your monthly goals, and thereby you'll achieve your yearly goals. So how should you start? If you have an idea how you should start, comment below, tell me what's your plan. But if you have no idea, watch this video. If you're starting from scratch, open up YouTube channels, open up your Instagram account, TikTok account if you have in your country, if open up LinkedIn, open up Pinterest, and open up Twitter. And if you are on Discord, good, join a lot of communities and join a lot of Facebook groups. Here's what you should do: use YouTube as a pillar platform and start pouring content. Like I've mentioned before, there are 3 main niches that everybody have to focus on. That is health, wealth, and relationships. If you have some fitness expertise, talk about health or anything in the health niche. If you have any expertise in the wealth, like making money or investing money, or you have a skill that you can teach that will help people make money, that comes under wealth category. And if you know anything about dating, anything about relationships, marriage, anything of that sorts, or talk about that niche. So now that you know the niches, health, wealth, and relationship, pick one niche and start creating content in that niche. As you start creating content, initially your content may not come out well, but be consistent. Every single day you have to put out one long form piece of content on your YouTube channel, and put at least 5 to 10 short form pieces of content. For long form piece of content can be anywhere between 10 minutes to 20 minutes or 30 minutes. If you have more time, you can even go on to 45 minutes or 50 minutes. Don't go more than that. Otherwise, if you're not interesting, it will get boring. So what you need to do is focus on creating content, long form piece of content on YouTube channel. And from there, what you have spoken, you can take clips and you can turn that into shorts and upload on all the platforms that allows you to upload shorts that's under 60 seconds or under a minute. Take that and upload it, and turn on subtitles, captions, and literally upload it on all these platforms. Now, as you start doing that consistently daily, a long form piece of content and short form piece of content, and on all the platforms that require you to write it, you can write a blog post about whatever it is that you have posted, and then include an image so that it's catchy and click-worthy. And in the comments in the description below, you can add the link to your YouTube channel or YouTube video, or you can point them to any of their resource pages. Like you can create something for free and give to them, like a lead magnet, a free resource, a free guide, a free checklist, a free things to do, whatever it is that you are an expert in. Give them some valuable knowledge that they don't know, or they can take action towards and move along the way. Now that you have posting content consistently every day, your YouTube following will grow, all the other social media followings will start growing. Okay, as you start growing your audience, you will be able to on YouTube, if you post consistently and your content is engaging, you are sharing valuable tips, your thumbnail is good, your title is good, and you have included something for free in the description below, people will start watching your content and they will subscribe to your channel, and as they keep watching more and more every single day, they'll opt into you whatever you're giving for free. You mention that in the video and they will opt it for free. Likewise, you can check the link in the description below, and I have given something for free for you. Opt into it. You will know, otherwise on your own you will struggle a lot. So this is the plan. Keep posting content every day, keep growing audience. Once you cross 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, YouTube will turn on monetization. Meanwhile, you can start monetizing your audience before you create a product by offering consulting and coaching calls. Okay, just offer to do them for 50% discount to initial set of customers who are interested in thing that you are expert at. and that's how you start collecting money in revenue. Make sure to collect anywhere from $300 up to $700 per day. So let's say you're selling a $100 product, you just need to just close 3 people per day. So in case as you start posting content on YouTube and no one is reaching out to you or no one is signing up, here's what you need to do: reach out to individual people, and you need to keep on reaching out to a lot of people via DMs, whether that's Instagram DMs. Find a hashtag or find a location, and if there's someone, if someone is following a particular influencer, start messaging all those people, okay, one by one. And from there, if you talk to 10 people, maybe 3 will say yes. Sometimes if you talk to 12 people, 3 will say yes, and 3 of them will buy your coaching for about $100. So if you can talk to 20 people and get 3 people to say yes, that's a good deal. So likewise, you have started making $300 per day. So basically, you are on track to hitting $100,000. If you and after later, as you start validating your idea, and you are getting a lot of frequently asked questions from people, turn that into a product, and you can sell it for $700. Either $697 would be a good idea, or $797 would be a good idea. Turn that into a product and start offering to masses. And as you start doing, now you can start scaling it up. You can scale it up to $250,000 per year. So if you hit $700 every single day, or you focus on weekly income, make sure you hit $5,000 or $4,800 every single day, every single week. If you hit that, you will hit your year 1 goals. Likewise, I want you to do the math for year 2 and year 3 and put in the comments below, so that if you are able to calculate it, what product you are selling it, and what price are you going to sell that at, and how many units do you need to sell every single week, daily for year 2, and weekly for year 2, and monthly. Likewise, do it for year 3 and put in the comments below, so that if you are able to figure the math out, if you're able to get the numbers down, you will know what you need to do, because now you'll have a plan. Write down your year 1 goals, year 2 goals, and your 3 goals, and put it down in the comments below, so that I will know you are actually taking this seriously. So you can also upload on other platforms like Rumble and the others as well. So if you find another new platform coming out in the future, start building an audience there, because you never know who's going to come and take over. Now once you start making money, here's what I want you to do. I want to take that income and start putting the advertising. There are a lot of people who have built up audiences, and ask them to follow. As you start posting content, you start building your audience. So if you cross 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours on YouTube monetization will be turned. You can turn it on, and you'll start enabling ads to be shown on. Now you get passive income from there. Now take that and if you start posting more than 300 pieces of content on your Instagram and TikTok, you will likely blow past 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 followers on both your platforms. Sometimes you'll blow past 50k and or 100,000 followers. So ideally, it's about 300. If you post 300 posts on your particular page, and it is high quality content, and you are consistent, you'll be able to blow past 110k followers. Now your authority will increase. Now take the money that you made and start investing into advertising. One of the cheapest ways to do that is use influencers. There are a lot of pages on social media. Reach out to those accounts and start telling them to run ads and driving traffic to your page, or tell them to ask them to swipe up, and tell them to get your lead magnet that you are offering for free. And once they opt into your lead magnet, you can write a 7-day sequence where they are getting your 7-day emails, and at the end you are pitching them your product. Likewise, you can start turning your knowledge in your validity idea. You can get paid straight away, and you can turn that income into advertising, and turn that advertising revenue into more leads and sales, and then you can start making money. Now I want you to come up with plan and tell me what you're going to do in year 1, year 2, and year 3, and what is your product. Have you validated the idea? And let me know, because in the next video I'm going to talk about how to actually go about figuring out your what kind of product works and what kind of product doesn't work, and in these 3 niches, how to find out product ideas. So if you like this video, comment that you watched this video. Tell me your plans, year 1, year 2, and year 3, and then based on your goals, try to make sure to come up with a plan, and little take notes and write below, so that I will know that you watched this video and you found value. And ask me a question what you did not understand. I'll see you in the next video.